Hi and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be testing out a little eyeshadow palette that I bought from Revolution Pro. It's a diddy little fella, but the colours look absolutely incredible. So this one is the Revolution Pro Moments Enchanting palette. This is what the colours look like, and they really intrigued me because I love greens anyway, but I thought these were absolutely gorgeous. This one here looks really nice. And you've got 3 mattes and 3 shimmers. So although it's a small palette, I thought you could create a really stunning eye look just with this palette. So this is what the colours look like. I mean, they are pretty pigmented actually, just from the swatches. So they don't have names, but I've just kind of done it in the same order as the palette. But yeah, this one looks absolutely gorgeous. And that one, which is the one I said about, I'm definitely going to use that because I really like that colour. I can't actually remember how much I paid for this because I've had it a little while. I'm sure it was only about £4 or something like that. But yeah, so let's give it a whirl. Right, so I'm going to start off by going into my crease with this one in the middle here. It's kind of like a taupey brown shade.
Life is a winding road.
That's really nice. I absolutely love that brown. It's really nice. Do you know, I think I'm actually going to take that a little bit higher rather than blend it out now. I think I'm going to go a little bit higher and then blend it out after.
No telling where it goes. Driving through days and nights. Won't stop for traffic.
So kind of like that. God, I love that brown. Such a nice shade. Right, so then just above that, I'm going to blend it out. I'm going to use this really pale, can't see that. I'm going to use this really pale shade just on the end here.
And I really want to know,
So what I'm going to do next is just cut my crease. And then we'll probably work in with that really dark one on the end, on the outer corner. And one of the shimmers. But yes, I'm going to go away and just cut my crease and then I'll be back. So the next thing I'm going to do is do the shimmer. So the one that I really like is actually this one here. So I'm going to use that on a majority of where I've cut that crease.
if I will ever figure out where the road goes. Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high. Even if the sky is falling down.
So that is a stunning green, and I think it's actually got a slight duochrome to it as well. Seems to go a bit lighter and darker as you move. Right, so on this outer part, I'm going to go in with that really dark, almost like, it's like a forest green, I'd say, right on that outer part.
Jumping from cliffs so high, trusting our wings to fly. Sometimes we cry.
Then underneath, I'm going to go in with that dark green again and just take that on the lower lash line as well.
Crashing down, but we get up and start from the ground. And I really want to know, if I
like that. I think that's really nice. Right, so in a corner, do I do it? I really like this one here, but I don't know if it's going to be a little bit too much right in a corner. Oh, let's just whack it on. That's actually really quite nice. Yeah, no, that's really nice actually. It's a lovely colour. That'd look nice on that, where I've put that green. That would have looked nice on there as well. But yeah, I just wanted to go for that green. Right, okay, so I'm going to do the other eye the same as this one, pop some lashes on and lippy, and I will be back. Okay, and here's the finished look. And yeah, I absolutely love that palette, you know. For such a small palette, it's absolutely gorgeous. As with, I've found most Revolution Pro formulas, it's really pigmented, it blends really easily, they're really easy to work with, and yeah, the colours just blend together perfectly. But yeah, I think it's really, really nice. I'm really happy with it. So here's a little close-up of the eyes. I just wanted to show you just how well they have blended. This brown on the, where I've put on the crease and just above, is an absolutely gorgeous colour. It's just, yeah, it's just the perfect brown. And I think you could use that with most looks, to be honest. I mean, if you really wanted to just go for a natural look, you could just shove that all over your eye just for a quick makeup look. And this sort of duochromy shimmer is absolutely stunning. I love it. So I hope you enjoyed watching, and if you did, please give me a thumbs up, and I'd really appreciate it. It'd mean the absolute world to me if you did enjoy watching this video and you would like to see more content from me in the future, and you would like to subscribe to my channel. Until then, thanks for watching. Bye.
Figure out where the road goes. Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high.